Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the tilted puff stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the double crochet stitch, and the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to make a puff stitch into the 5th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is going to be a 3 yarn over puff stitch. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip 2 chains. Into this next one, you're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, then you're going to make that same puff stitch into this chain where you made that double crochet. So same thing, skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and then puff stitch all into that same chain together. Skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, make a chain, make that puff stitch into the same chain where you made that double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, make a chain, then make a puff stitch into the same chain where you made that double crochet. Skip 2 chains into this next one, double crochet, chain 1, and puff stitch into that same chain where you made that double crochet. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 2 chains left. You're going to skip 1, and then into this last chain of the row, you're going to make a double crochet. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 4 chains. 3 of these 4 chains will count as a double crochet stitch, and then this chain will just be a regular chain. So to start our sequence, you're going to be skipping to the next previous chain space. So it's going to be this space right here. You can see there's a chain here. And then into this chain space, we're going to be making the exact same thing that we made in our last row. It's going to be a double crochet, chain 1, and then a puff stitch into this space all together. And that's how things are looking. So you're going to be skipping to the next chain space. It's going to be this space right here. Same thing, double crochet, chain 1, and then puff stitch all into that same space together. Skip to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch all into that same chain space together. Skip to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, puff stitch all into the same space together. Skip to the next chain space, double crochet, chain 1, and then that puff stitch all into that same space together. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have a puff stitch and some chains left. Make 1 chain, then into these last chains over here at the end of your row, make a double crochet into the top of those chains. This chain and double crochet are going to match the chain 4 at the beginning of this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project, and that is going to be how to make the tilted puff stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.